Today's topic here possessive noun. So some words tell us the position of the noun. Those words are called here possessive nouns. Here children, to write possessive noun we use here apostrophe and s. Okay children, here apostrophe and s. Suppose here one bottle, that is somebody's bottle here Tina. How to write the sentence? This is Tina's bottle. So Tina, after Tina we have to put the apostrophe. Apostrophe means one line. Then here write yes. Tina's means how to write Tina apostrophe s. Tina's book. Like that Anil's book. Anil's. Okay. After that name, put here apostrophe. Then add yes. Anil's. Ramo's. Gita's. So like that here we have to put here apostrophe. Then add yes. That is the possessive noun. It is telling whose book this one. This is somebody's. So this is Dina's belonging to. Now open here page number 14 children in your grammar book. Blanks are there children. Here under D 10 blanks are there. I am writing here only this side 5, that side 5. Yes, first one children. Dash glass is on the table. So in the bracket that the name is given. Whose glass that one is Sonia. So how to write? Yes, these all are the proper nouns. Use first letter capital. Sonia's. Yes, here apostrophe. Sonia's. Sonia's glass is on the table. Like that second one children. So the dash umbrella blew away. So here in the bracket girl. Girls. Here small letter only. After girl apostrophe, then yes, girls. Next third one, the dash wings are pretty. Butterflies. So butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. Then here apostrophe S, butterflies. The butterflies, what is that? Wings are pretty. Next fourth one children. The dash tie is very colorful. Fathers. So this is the first word in the sentence. So F capital. Fathers. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Then apostrophe. Here yes, fathers. Fathers tie is very colorful. Next fifth one children. That is dash child. Rohan. Rohans. So fifth one, write down like this. Rohans. R-O-H-A-N. Apostrophe? Yes, Rohans. Okay, children. Next, remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sixth one, children. My dad's walking stick is made of wood. My whose grandfather's? Whose walking stick? Grandfather's. So write down like this. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. So here apostrophe and yes, grandfathers. Next children. Here. Seventh one. Please give me dad's bag. Whose bag? Nina. Nina's bag. N-I-N-A apostrophe S. Nina's bag. Now eighth one children. Where is my dad's football? Where is my? Whose football? Brother. My brother. Brothers. B-R-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. My brothers. Next children. Here now ninth one. The rabbit entered the dash den. Lions. Lions den. L-I-O-N. Lion apostrophe. Yes, lions. Now 10th one children. A dash feathers are beautiful. Whose feathers are beautiful? Peacock. Peacocks. Peacocks. Apostrophes. Peacocks. Peacocks feathers are beautiful. So this is page number 14, children. Here these all are the singular nouns. One girl, Sonia. Here one girl, one butterfly, like that. Singular possessive nouns. Now we have to discuss plural possessive nouns. Okay, children? Yes, I am rubbing here. Possessive nouns only, but here plural. Page number 15, children. Page number 15, possessive nouns, but here plural. So children, to write a plural possessive noun, here we have to put apostrophe after s. Why? Already those are plurals. Girls. Okay. So here girls, plural possessive noun. So after s we have to put here apostrophe. Like that here children. This is the plural possessive noun. So here after n we have to put here apostrophe, then write down s. Children's. Okay, not all words like this. Okay, generally here all words are like this, plural possessive nouns. After s only we have to put here apostrophe, but in some cases like this. Okay, so you have to remember this step. Here now page number 15. 8 blanks are there. I will write 4 this side and 4 that side. First one, children. The dash helps them hide. Fill in the blanks by replacing the words in the brackets with the correct possessive noun. Correct one. The dash helps them hide. Helps. So singular one we have to write. Caterpillars. Color of the caterpillars. The caterpillars color helps them hide. So caterpillars. Right. C-A-T-E-R. T-I-L-L-A-R. C-A-T-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. After S we have to write, put here apostrophe, children. So the dash color of the caterpillars help them hide. The caterpillars color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Caterpillars color. Okay, children. So here plural. Then after S only we have to put here apostrophe. Then color. Next, second one. These are the dash to the students. Books belong. These are the dash. Books belonging to the students. These are the students' books. Okay, students. Plural only. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students. After S here apostrophe. Students. Books. Here caterpillars color. The caterpillars color helps them hide. So we should not write here colors. Color only correct. Next one. Students' books. Third one. The dash move together. Hands of the dancers. Means dancers' hands. Dancers. D-A-N-C-E-R-S. Dancers. Plural. After S apostrophe. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. The dancers' hands moved together. Now fourth one, children. The dog ate the dash. Shoes belonging to the boys. So talking about shoes. Whose shoes? Boys' shoes. Okay, boys' shoes. Plural. After S. Boys' shoes. Boys' shoes. Next, here Fifth one, children. Samir search dash in the bracket here the cupboard belonging to his parents. So thing is here cupboard about parents. Samir searched parents cupboard. Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. After S only apostrophe. Parents cupboard. Yes, cupboard. C-U-B-B-O-A-R-D. Parents cupboard. Next, sixth one, children. Here, dash or long and soft. Ears of rabbits. Rabbits ears. Okay. So rabbits plural. R-A-B-B-I-T-S. After S apostrophe. Ears. Rabbits ears. Now seventh one, children. Here. The dash are hanging behind the door. What are hanging? Coats belonging to the ladies. Ladies coats. Ladies. L-A-D-A-D-I-E-S. Ladies. After yes apostrophe L-A-D-I-E-S. Ladies coats. C-O-A-T-S. Coats. Ladies coats. Now eighth one, children. The dash look smart. Uniforms belonging to the officers. Officers uniforms. Okay, eighth one. Officers. O-F-F-I-C-E-R-S. Officers. Apostrophe here after S. What are those? Uniforms. U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S. Uniforms. Children, be careful. You have to put here apostrophe after S. While these all are the plural possessive nouns. For singular possessive nouns, before S. Put here apostrophe before S. For plural, after S. Okay, children? For singular, before S. For plural, after S. Okay, children? We will meet in next class. Until then, bye-bye, children. Take care of your health. Then complete neatly. While writing in your book, you have to think what is going on. What should we write? Single possessive noun and plural possessive noun.